Hey guys, Dickeydol everyone, and welcome back to my channel, all my dear friends. So today I thought to share this video how I cut my eyebrow at home. So basically not have work, so I thought let's do it. Time pass and many hair extra also coming, so I thought to trim this. So are you guys ready? So here is we need thread, and we need scissor, brush, and this is and we need aloe vera gel. Can you see my extra hair is many extra hair, so you can see on both of sides I have. Okay, so here's the thread, and we gonna take according we need. So we gonna join the both of end, and we gonna knot this 2 to 3 times. You should be knot, otherwise it will open easily. Okay, done. And here's I make the circle thread, and we gonna use one side hand you have to hold, and one side we need to choose opposite side. So you can choose which side you like, which is comfortable for you, this side or this side. So I like to do front of my side. Tik ni sum shi nga chuk tin ke ku chu chukchi chungni. So I twist. So and this thread we gonna, so here is the middle is twist. So we gonna put here the hair, extra hair we gonna put it here, and one's hand will move and it will come like this, so all hair will come here. Okay, so here's the brush. I'm gonna just do upside like this, so and we can see the clearly extra hair which is we want to cut. So when you cut this, you have to stretch your eyes skin like this. So I'm doing upside all the skin, and it little come tight, and after that we can cut it like this. For extra very small thing, so we gonna cut with this block, hold like this, and upside, left. So now it's already clean. Now it's time to cut up the extra length. So I'll do this upside, and so here is my small scissor. So scissor is coming little like this. If straight scissor, so it will be difficult to cut. So little like this shape is very good for this. So you have to hold like this here. So we gonna cut it this like this, and see it's kind of level. Only if you do like this, it's coming some, it's long hair and some is small, so we gonna just trim the only long hair. Gonna put some aloe vera gel to my eyebrow, so it's become very red color. Okay, so hair's done. And now I'm gonna do my upper lip. So here is little oily, so I don't have powder, so I'm using flour. Only we gonna make the dry, so no problem, I'll use some. So when you cut it this, you have to just your tongue. You have to do this. You have your tongue, you have to push over your skin, so it will make tight and it will not cut your skin. Like this. I'm missing my sister actually. Before, if she have, she did all thing. She do my and I do her, so we don't need to go for parlor. Still, I don't like to go parlor, so I do myself. But for yourself, doing is a little difficult, but it's not too much difficult. Okay guys, so now it's finally ready. You can see my eyebrows become very clean, so still. Okay guys, so before cut your eyebrow and upper lips, so you should learn first how to use thread. So if you don't know how to use thread, so I will recommend you don't go directly in your eyebrow, and it might be damage your eyebrow also, and it will cut your skin also, so we don't need that. So how I learned from my sister, so I will teaching you very simple way. Take a hair in your mouth and you have to hold very tightly like this, and take your other hand. So I'm lefty, you guys, if you're right, so do in same in right side. So third I use on right hand, and we gonna, so you can simply follow. I just did, and we're gonna twist this front of me. When you open, you have to put hair is between this hole here, and you have to hold like this. Once I put the hair all, so you have to just close it like this. And if you want to put hair, again open and close it. Now repeat this until you not get the properly cutting. So you can repeat this. Only we need to try. Only you need patience and we need hair. That's it. Okay guys, so this is my final result, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video also. And actually this is not bad idea, so I thought to share this. So if you know and save your money and save your timing also, sometimes it's emergency, we cannot go to parlor, so you can do at home also. So I thought to share this, and that's it. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you on next video. Bye bye. And how it is, don't forget to leave comment below, and please share with your friends and family.